This has given rise to Gran Reserva, a brand committed to protecting, regenerating, and restoring the enormous biodiversity that lives throughout all of our vineyards, located in the riverbanks of Chile's most important wine regions. With this in mind, we developed the Life Thrives Here program, which started with the Uku Vineyard, located on the south bank of the Rappel River. This unique vineyard is located 14 kilometers away from the Pacific Ocean. The Rappel River comes from one of the main hydrographic lakes in the region and the country. It is set in central Chile, one of only 5 areas in the planet with a Mediterranean climate, and has been declared one of the 35 biodiversity hotspots in the world, according to UICN 2013, for its notorious wealth of natural resources. The Uku Vineyard constitutes an area of high ecological value due to being host to a series of endemic species, constituting the largest continuous area of forest in the Central Valley and the coastal mountains. The Uku estate holds 443 hectares of planted vineyards and 487 hectares of native forest. In other words, there are 1.1 hectares of protected forest for every hectare of vineyards planted, offering more protection for biodiversity and acting as a homeland for natural species. When it comes to biodiversity, we found that 65% of the flora identified at this vineyard are species native to Chile, as is 91% of the fauna, which includes a large percentage of birds, 97% that are native to this land. And we want to continue spreading benefits for nature. We aim by 2025 to plant 30,000 native trees, regenerating natural conditions so that Uku can become a Gran Reserva of biodiversity. By protecting and replanting native forests and species, we aim to restore biodiversity and also prevent the erosion that harms the quality of the waterways due to sedimentation. Through this increase in green foliage, we also seek to improve water regulation and moisture, contributing to the restoration of native species. Multiple certifications attest to our company's commitment. We were recently certified as a B Corp, which recognizes companies that meet high standards of environmental management and social performance. Viña Concha y Toro also joined the Global Biodiversity Initiative, eBio Atlas, in 2021, a project of the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, and Nature Metrics, which seeks to take a census of the species present in an ecosystem and their migration habits. We are also members of the Water Footprint Network and the Forest Stewardship Council, and 100% of the electricity used comes from renewable energy sources. Additionally, all vineyard practices are certified sustainable by Wines of Chile Code of Sustainability. At Concha y Toro, our ecological water footprint is 48% lower than the industry average, and we have reduced our carbon footprint by 19% since 2017 in an effort to keep the global temperature rise below 1.5 degrees Celsius by 2050. Through each bottle of Gran Reserva, we consciously enjoy giving back to nature and contributing to a regenerative future. Because that is what Gran Reserva is all about, making life thrive.